Hey guys, welcome back to Eddie and Giselle.
Oh,
So
Eddie.
Today we are going to be making silver slime, which is this one. So if you guys want to see how we made it, then continue watching.
And
So
smash that like button.
Yeah, smash the like button, subscribe, and yeah. So first, before we get onto the video, we're gonna make a bubble
Together.
But in the video, you guys are gonna see some ASMR. Oh my gosh.
Can I?
Oh my gosh, did you guys see
your
that?
hair.
Oh, no. But did you guys see that? That was
Can I
so
try
cool.
it with you this time?
Yeah, hold on. Put it lower so they can see that. Okay, ready? So we need to do this. Here, you hold it from that side, I'll hold it from here. Oh, nuts, that was a fail. But it's still gonna crunch, I bet. This makes the best crunchy noises. Oh my gosh, Eddie's getting it all over himself. Look, let me just do it one more time by myself. Okay. Because whenever I made it, it was amazing. Okay. Wait, no, move, Eddie, move it. Oh my gosh, Eddie messed me up. Okay, hold on. Eddie, don't mess me up. I'm just gonna do it one more time.
Alright.
Did you guys see that?
Did you guys see that, by the way?
Okay, guys. So,
Columbia.
Okay, so, just get on with the video. Okay, guys. Whoops, I have slime in my hair. Okay, so we just finished the slime. I'm sorry that we didn't continue. That's because Eddie was trying to do a thumbnail. He was trying to take the picture for the thumbnail, and then he accidentally ended it. But anyways, we're done with the slime. That's how it looks, and it's so big and pretty and shiny. Whee! I love it. And then there's so we're gonna put it in this container, and I would recommend you guys to get it because it's big and it's only like $2. And this isn't all of it. There's still more in the container, right, Eddie?
Yeah.
And Eddie's trying to get it off of his hands because he got it. So that's basically all for the video. Eddie, want to do ASMR?
What's that?
Like doing some satisfying stuff with slime.
Okay.
Okay, so ready? And it's clear. gonna try to record from up here. Eddie's adding slime. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, I was reading a message. Okay, so we'll see you guys next time on Eddie and Giselle. Bye!
No, do it again, do it again.
Bye!